Good morning, and how are you today? Today we're making parsley wine. Fantastic. So let's get on and make this wine fantastic. Now, I've made this recipe quite a few times and it's always a winner. And what I have found is that one of these shop bought pots of parsley gives you the ideal amount. If you grow parsley in your garden, brilliant, you can use a lot more, but I find that you don't need a lot of parsley to flavour that wine and make it brilliant. And also, this is a homebrew channel. We don't do salad. So the first thing we need to do is give the parsley a trim and trim off all the leaves from the stalks. The stalks are too strong for the wine. They give off too much flavour. So you only want the leaves from your parsley. After you've given your parsley a haircut and trimmed off about a pint of the leaves, you want to throw your parsley leaves into a saucepan. Pour over about 2 litres of boiling water. And now we want to slice 1 banana and chop a lemon in half. And add the sliced banana with the skin to the pot. And also squeeze in that lemon juice from the lemons and put those 2 chunks of lemon in as well. On top of your parsley, your water, your lemon juice, your 2 chunks of lemon and your banana and banana skin, you want to pour in 1.5 kilograms of granulated sugar straight into that divine, lovely juice. With that added, you want to give it a good stir. Get that sugar dissolved into that lovely juice. Then put it onto the heat and simmer it for 45 minutes or so. Let that flavour extract into that water and let all the flavour come out, ready for this wine to be divine for next summer barbecues and outdoor picnics. Once you've simmered your lovely parsley wine for about 45 minutes, you want to turn the heat off and let it stand in the saucepan for 24 hours. So I'll come back and see you in a minute now, where we will continue making this fantastic parsley wine. 24 hours have passed and I am loving how this parsley wine is. It's been filling the kitchen with this divine, fantastic aroma. Sweet, yet herby. It's just so divine. This parsley wine does not carry a great parsley flavour. Instead, it just infuses that wine with this great herby Chardonnay style flavour. It is such a brilliant wine for summer. What we need to do now is separate the liquid of the parsley wine into a demijohn and take out all those parsley leaves, the lemon and the banana. So I have actually found or bought a new funnel, because I've been using a bottle top for a funnel for ages now, but I invested in a plastic one. And also I'm using a pair of tights on top, well, one leg of tights, to filter out all those leaves. It's a simple job of pouring in your saucepan of liquid into your demijohn. Fantastic. So what we need to do now is top up that demijohn to the shoulder a bit more, because I only added 2 litres of water. There's plenty of space in the demijohn. So just top up the demijohn with cool water. Yeah. Just fill it up to the shoulder level, because when you come to add the yeast in a moment now, you want it to ferment quite ferociously and you want there to be some airspace in the demijohn for the yeast to go through aerobic fermentation. I find that this wine does not need any fancy yeasts. So I'm just using a general purpose wine yeast with some nutrients, and I've made it up as a yeast starter so that the wine can get started that much sooner. The yeast is already working, it's already devouring that bit of sugar I put into the starter. So pour in your yeast into your demijohn. Great stuff that. Insert a clean airlock into your demijohn and set this aside in a lovely warm place for 3-4 days. And then you want to top up the water level of your demijohn to the very neck of the demijohn. After you've topped up your demijohn, set it aside somewhere warm to carry on fermenting for about another 2, maybe 3 weeks until it finishes fermenting. Then rack off any sediments and dead yeast that the wine has thrown. Then set your demijohn aside again for another 3-4 months. So this should be ready for next spring. And then I'll be back in the spring and do a taste test of this wine. In the meantime, why don't you go and make a delicious mint wine? So check out this video about how to make mint wine. And you have a good day now, and I'll see you soon.